Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. Dear students, you are watching Class 6 Science, Chapter number 2, Component of Food. Dear students, we will do the revision of question answers, Part 2. So, let's start, dear students. F. Answer the following questions. First, write a note on a main nutrients required by our body. Gives one source of each. Dear students, the major nutrients required by the body are followed. Dear students, first we write carbohydrate. Carbohydrate are the main source of the energy and are the major part of a staple diet of a people all over the world. Cereals, rice, wheat, maize, potatoes, tapioca, etc. are the major source of carbohydrate. Now, dear students, second is fat. Fat are also provide energy to our body for the same amount of food. Dear students, and that is so. Dear students, the same amount of food consumed for fat give more energy than the carbohydrate. Some sources of fat are egg yolk, coconut oil, ghee, butter, and meat. Now, third, dear students, we can write protein. Protein are the building block of a human body. They are required for the growth and the repair of the worn out the tissue. Beans, dal, wheat, sprout, meat, fish, milk, cheese are the protein-rich food. Next, dear students, we write vitamins. Vitamins play a very important role in the growth and development of the human body. Vitamins help us to develop immunity against dear students, carrot, egg, meat are the some source of vitamin. Next, dear students, we will write minerals. Minerals are required for the making our bones strong, building muscles, and the proper functioning of the body. There are two type of minerals: major minerals and the trace minerals. Dear students, minerals are required in a high quantity by a body. For example, calcium, chlorine, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, and sulfur. Now, dear students, come to the second questions. So, describe the cooking practice that help retain the nutrients in the food. Dear students, some healthy cooking and eating practice are given below. First is steam the vegetable instead of boiling them. Second, avoid cooking at a high temperature because it can destroy the valuable nutrients. Third, dear students, use the whole grains flour for bread and biscuits. Fourth, dear students, avoid washing the fruits and vegetable after you have to cut or peel them as the water soluble vitamins get washed away. Fifth, dear student, try more fruits dessert instead of cake and cookies. Next, dear students, choose frozen yogurt, sherbet and sorbet instead of an ice cream. Next, dear students, serve cakes with the fruits instead of a frosting or the whipped cream. So, dear students, hope you understood. Now, come to the G section of this exercise. First, if you eat only fried food and have cold drinks, will you remain healthy? Question mark. Dear students, no, because fried food and cold drinks, dear students, do not provide all the nutrients required to stay healthy. Now, dear students, come to the second question. How will need more carbohydrates in diets an athlete or an office worker? Question mark. And why, dear students? Now, dear students, hint are given there. What do carbohydrate provides us? Dear students, an athlete will need more carbohydrate as he or she is more active and he or she is more active and need more energy. So, dear student, an athlete will need more carbohydrate. Now, dear students, come to the S section. Identify the disease deficiency disorder shown in the following pictures. Dear students, A picture shows goiter, C scurvy, and D rickets. So, dear students, hope you understood all these part of the exercise. Dear students, you have to learn thoroughly. Thank you, students. Stay home. Be safe.